When using the Fobo photo booth, the user is presented with options to change the look of the picture. If they tap touch to shoot, a countdown appears and a shot is taken. When the high-resolution image loads, the sharing options are available immediately below. Text message means that an MMS will be sent with an embedded image or video file, whereas email will send an email with an attachment of those same assets. If print is selected, a now printing screen appears, and in between 10 and 12 seconds, the print comes out of the printer. If the user from here dismisses, they're put back on the home screen, ready to take another shot. When shooting in GIF mode, a frame count is displayed between frames of the GIF. When all 4 images are loaded, an animation is displayed on the screen immediately, and the same sharing options are available below. Here we see that delivered to the phone immediately is a video file for GIFs or a still image for single shots. The GIF image plays back 4 frames in the loop, and the still image is a high-resolution JPEG, ready for sharing immediately. When printing GIFs, the 4 images come out in a grid like this. If the user swipes down with 2 fingers, a library of all the previously captured images appears. The same sharing options are now available for images that were captured previously as well as ones that you've just captured. Here we select print, and in between 10 and 12 seconds, a print comes out of the attached DS620. Now we'll talk more about setting up the Fobo for normal use. The first thing you want to check is that the printer is on and plugged in, and then make sure that the light above the camera is glowing. Make sure that the iPad is charging. And now it's time to launch the Fobo app. Find that, and you'll be presented with an interface like this immediately. Nash is going to use 2 fingers to scroll up from the bottom, and there we can check sort of the attached accessories and different options. He's going to turn on both black and white and color options, and he's going to turn on the glam option. He's going to go through and kind of clear out some settings that we had this set up for last time. And we're going to select some overlay images from Dropbox. In our Dropbox, we have some PNG files that are going to be downloaded into the app. And those are going to be overlaid over our images. Down below, there's a text message option. He's going to go into that, and we're going to edit the text message body. We're going to take out the text message body from the previous job, and if you take it all out, you're left with a default message that you can customize later. He's going to hit save on that and do the same thing for your emails. He's just going to use the default settings, turn that on, and hit save. And we'll look down at the other options, kind of like a checklist of things that you can do. We're going to tap into the actual DSLR, and that's going to take a test shot, and it's going to show it to us on this screen. Immediately below that are some options in terms of the exposure that can be toggled. On another screen called Color Adjust, Nash is going to tap the background and give us a white reference, and then he's going to be able to drag around and in real time make color adjustments to the test image. Whenever he's got the white point looking just right, he's going to hit apply, and that's going to save the settings. Now when any user uses the photo booth, those settings are applied to the images that are captured. Here he's toggling some settings, and he's going to take a shot. Once that image loads, the sharing and printing options are available.